Hey all, this tutorial is another quick tip on how to color something that is all black. Watch my last tutorial on how to do it using the hue and saturation sliders. In this one, we're going to use the gradient tool, and this is a tip that Donna shared, and I just thought it was so fun I had to reshare it. So what I'm going to do is first drag my layer down to the new layer icon, and that duplicates it, or you can use Control J or whatever you use to duplicate. And I'm going to click the invisibility eye on the first one. I do that just to preserve this in case I want to go back to it, because this does permanently change your layer. Here is the gradient tool, and I have a whole lesson on how to use the gradient tool. You can go find that. Ask me if you need the link. And I'm going to click on the gradient editor. It comes up, usually defaults, unless you've been playing with it, to the foreground and background color. If not, choose the first one here. Then I'm going to click on the stop and delete it, and I'm going to click on the opacity slider on the right and delete it. I'm going to click on the first stop, click on color, and choose a color. Now you can see it's not going to be really a gradient because it's just one solid color. The important thing is do not forget to hit this transparency lock right here, and you see it puts a little lock on the layer, and then just click down, hold, and draw, and it colors the whole thing. And from there, if you wanted to do Control U and change it with the hue and saturation slider, you could do so. Wasn't that a fun tip? Go play with it.